I see a door being opened for you.
Yeah.
Now, how do I see it?
Yes.
I saw my chariots. They are moving so fast now. I saw them standing. These are my angels. They stand at this Gerard bus stop. Okay,
Yes.
where they like sell like charcoal, malasha. Okay.
Yes.
Now I saw them facing the east side, this paving, which comes here straight.
Yes.
Okay, towards like this like somewhere near this market, like Fundo Market.
Yes.
Fundo Market.
Yes.
So I saw them moving so fast from there, this Gerard Market.
Yes.
Okay, they're moving in this paving so speed. Then I saw them reaching at this like T junction, which goes like to TS.
Yes. Yes.
But before you turn this tarmac, which goes to TS, this also is like a paving. I saw them pointing this side. I saw a shop this side,
Yes.
opposite this road, this side.
Yes.
The left hand side, you're going to the east. The right hand side, you're going this side. Okay.
Yes.
Now, how do I see it? I saw you like you sat on your chair, like this is one chair I see.
Yeah.
Now I saw like you sat like this on the chair. Okay, that's how I saw you, like in your shop.
Yes.
Okay. Now I saw words being written in the realm of the spirit. I saw letters being written in the realm of the spirit. I saw B.
Yes, sir.
I saw A.
Yes.
I saw another B.
Yes.
I saw another E.
Yes.
Then I saw a space.
Right.
And I see another B again.
Yes.
A double O
Baby boo.
on the shop. Okay? Am I on the side here?
Prophesy.
You know, I'm on the side today. Maybe you're not here.
Daddy,
We are not
prophesy.
here.
We are here, Daddy.
You're not
Prophesy.
here.
We are
Prophesy.
here,
Okay.
Daddy Ripper.